Hello, good night. A potential utilization of end-of-life tires are recycled carbon black in EPDM rubber. The tires at the end of their useful life (AOL) and their decomposition present a serious environmental concern due to their resistance, humidity, oxygen, natural degradation, etc. Pyrolysis is considered the most efficient and sustainable recycling process due to its respectful process within the environment. The RCB was characterized by scanning electron microscopy, SAM, thermogravimetric analysis (TGA), and chemical methods. RCB was incorporated only in a conventional EPDM formulation and also in combination with an 550 carbon black. The physico-mechanical properties of the volcanizates of EPDM before and after again were studied successively by SAM, TGA, differential scanning, calorimetry, DSC, tensile test, and cross-linking tests. It was observed that the average particle size of RCB was 8 micrometers, and it was observed that the ash content was high compared to the conventional M550 carbon black, which was evident by the TGA and SEMX analysis. It was found that the reinforcement effect and the cross-linking designs of volcanized fillings with RCB are slightly lower compared to conventional carbon black N550. The morphology of the fracture surface by tensile and there was studied by SAM, and it was observed that the rupture mechanism follows the detachment of the rubber chain from the surface mud. It was found the reinforcement effect and the cross-linking density of volcanized fillings with RCB are slightly lower compared to conventional carbon black N550. Determination of volume. Here is the ambient temperature, that is Celsius degrees, and here are relative pressure, the terms Kts, Cs, Vs, and Wd represent the reunion of the desorption, the injection, the volume of injection, and the weight of sample dried to 300 degrees Celsius. Determination of density, where D is the density of the spill in kilograms cubic meter, and W is the mass of the black carbon in the cylindrical container of 324 cubic centimeters. Current characteristics and the heating rate index CRI is represented by the equation. Okay, there is a table that explains several of the data used. We also calculate things like hardness, resistance to compression, their set of understanding, and for these following formulas were used. Graphics in which the behavior of the particles is described. In the image, it is shown that the D resistance increase was observed, that the highest value is 4.1, megapascales, and the drop in the resistance was more pronounced as the level of the load of RCV increased in the system. The current work studied the effect of recycled carbon black RCV obtained from the pyrolysis of AOL tires on the profiles of ethylene, propylene, ethylene, rubber, EPDM. Goodbye. See you later.